But I just want to try my luck. No! Would you like to help Espressona Signora? I know you do. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Whoa. In here.
Okay.
Ouch, my face.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Nothing here.
Ah.
Wow.
Ew.
You're more or less clean now. Let's shape those eyebrows nicely. Ouch! Ouch! Sorry, but there's a lot of them. But once they're gone, your eyebrows will be prettier. Amazing results! Nothing here.
Wow. Good.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
A bottle of glue. Let's apply glue on the cracks. A little bit here. And there. Done. Wow, colorful Band-Aids.
I like it. Wow.
Woohoo!
Bye-bye, critters. Fast, we're gonna use some Band-Aids to cover them up. Well done. We just have to wait. It's time for us to remove the Band-Aids.
Woohoo! Yeah!
See these cracks? Well done.
Yoo-hoo! I like
Oh. Just look at all these skin problems.
And some
All right.
Good! Wow!
That's better. Well done. Amazing results.
Oh no!
I know what can help you.
Wow. Perfect. And ta-da! Wow. Don't forget the under eye masks too.
Oh, well done.
Oh, that's so cute.
And don't forget the lips.
Wow.
Lip mask will make it soft and smooth. Is getting prettier and prettier.
Whoa.
Wow.
We gotta wash it off with a facial wash.
Let me help become more beautiful.
Oh,
Okay lah.
well done.
Ice globe massage time.
Okay.
Let's check the results.
Oh, that's so cute.
Good.
Well done.
I like this one.
Next up, it's makeup time. Face powder. Cool. It even comes with a cute powder puff. It smells so good. And it makes you look awesome too.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Oh,
Wow. Woo.
But you're more blooming than ever. I love how you look. An eyeshadow palette. Wow, the shade suits you very well. I love it. Now on the other eye. Wow, a mascara tube! Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty.
well done. Oh,
What a beauty! Wow!
Wow, thank you.
Oh, wow! An eyebrow pencil! That's just the perfect shape.
Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, yes.
Oh, wow! It's a blush on!
Good.
We got a... Yay! It's a nice shade of pink lipstick!
Oh, that's so cute.
Good.
wow. Well done.
Your clothes are so dirty! We have clothes waiting for you! Ta-da! Wow! It's gonna be a total makeover!
Good.
Well done.
Wow.
Tickle, tickle! And that completes the Espressona Signora! The makeover! Yippee!
Well done.
Bye. I must go.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.